February 1st, 1960. With their plan in place, it was time to move.
We met in front of Bluefoot Library, and we said a prayer, the Lord's Prayer. And then we proceeded to walk downtown. We walked slowly and silently. We didn't say anything to each other when we left that campus today. I didn't know what was going to happen.
We tried to imagine all the possibilities.
One was I was going to go to jail for a long time and never come back to school. Or the other, I was going to be trying to pick my brains up off the floor and maybe come back to my campus in a casket. But it meant just that much to me.
We made a journey down South Elm Street, and we walked through the middle doors quietly into Woolworth.
To establish themselves as customers and not troublemakers, the young men made small purchases in the store.
I remember purchasing a comb, a brush, a toothbrush, and Colgate toothpaste. And I received a receipt. Joseph and Franklin went before me. I think David was behind me. And one by one, we took our seats.
You know, 15 seconds after I sat on that stool, I felt so clean. I felt invincible. And quite honestly, I wouldn't have felt cheated if I had died at that moment, because I had gone to my mountaintop and I saw the other side. I was whole. I was redeemed.